Dakis pangot ki nongkershan ke VPP balalam kemat da Presiden Kaseng ba Ardent Miller Saimat kilami pat ba sya Meghalaya Main Secretariat ha ke Henry Tarik Nailar ban persya ya ke jingbom shimkia ke sorkar telah halur ki shpau telikiman ka jingat pat ba kalalong da kalenti ke bajai-jai what happening ke jing pahara jong ki pulen ki pat ba kilara plakat bat pertai ki slogan persya ya ke sorkar MDA. Habak keren syakilat petai kubor uba Ardent ulaong baka jingong umintri rangba badai bandra dikimat hapo yeng dorbar tauan kadai tang ban light syak keno. Ulaong baki MLA yang persyak kiyo tang nyaw du 10 minit ban keren hak dorbar kebasan singi. Ula keno ru baka sorkar kam jujubab memorandum baladab IT. Nalur ka jing dawa ban pyndam ya ka public hearing jong ka Shree Cement ha ilaka nongkli ka VPP kala dawa ban pensangye ya ka cook plant but cement factory. Ka VPP kala keno ru badan ka jingalet hok ha ka jingthong kam DSC West Giant Hills. Kibaya kun ya ka exam kibala ban jubab iway hadu arteli ki jingkeli lakhot interview ka jing snew ka surok shlong dawki but ka jing slam ban siu tulop ya ki home guards but ki casual workers. Uba Ardent ulaong baka jingaki kalong ko bajai-jai bat baka seng kan sarai ke senjam ki babut hadin ka jinga keren hapo ka seng.
yang negeri kecil. Mereka solusi bagi kini akan kamai ke kaji jong dengan kamai kali historis kali di sini. Hanya itu. Yang pak itu berkumpul dengan sorka. Lain kertan yang district administration Ako kecinalan jangka people pesak additional district magistrate SP jong ke East Council. But para ki officer di badan ni, lalu ki SP to the traffic branch. Para kini ki pulit lalu kibik. Baik dia kan dia baik. Karena pula penting Tuhan ni itu. Walau tak kami nak shintor ke sini. Dengan kram persya yang kini ki pulit ki sini nama kini ki frame ke sini. क्या बनने है के काम रम इंजीनियर ये काम कर रही है mana ni bangnya lekna baki yuan ni petentau ya ke jingong cuman beri pengajak real ya itu boleh baru kibeden benta oh kira kubaru kibeden nanti ke por ke pemerintah ban pentriang ni ke kubur kan ni ke kubur kan penci dia ya ke jisman di sini bangin tu ini nagan tagari pengajak real tekum di mangaram Tapor kan siya bang inaakan talan. Kahit ng brio ko siya, namarihi kini di sini, kinagang simon di magporsyang, ban Kyntait, yung the praise of the people party, ban Kyntait, bang inaitang gaseng gabasin kulumar, hindi ko kipay pa, kani ka tiyang gajabi, kapinsi siya, baki mat kibangi wira na kapor siya kapor, kilang siya kisinge, kipagachat ng brio kaya kambo. Ini peluang ya kami kita dia kata gaji hat kasih long tray kami kasih shooting dan sebuah yang ada kami kasih kebalat mengi kebalik bawah mengi kebalik ikan kebate ingin cinta dan cinta. Mari kita tahu kami kalau berjawab ya itu kita Kyntait ya the voice of the people party bagay tan gaseng sa pinship yung tata lani ka berjumpa ban pinni jingumar wempa ban pinni jingumar kani ka jingong jai jong na siya linti gini kasati bangin beri ka ban pinni jingumar andai ni tan ni nanglim do scam kung di mayroon sa voice of the people party bangin yang banyata ya kahak long try kasi prime ko try chaka Ngemna syaban siap abang ipet yang dijilek jelas sarkar agini kismi kebementan. Namang tak kini kisipau teli kimat kibangi ngina pensio kini kisipau teli kimat nomor kiwaipat kimat tiba-tiba buang kiwan balang Ardent keran lang siya nomor kitu kisipau teli kimat ralang siya nomor kisipau teli kimat ya kecenge jongi dihondat Jika Pak kekerangan saya kecil jongi Kyntait ia sulap sisen saubenai betul mafi kini Kyntait kebangi kebatrai hitam hakikan dijungi sisen saubenai ia sulap nanti kebatrai kontrak kebatrai casual ia sisen lai belai sarkar kekuat pada item lada kecing item miki konsana kecing kalau mungkin sulap tang sisen lai belai dan benjur mungkin serang ia pada kecing item berjumpa Nalar kini kisipau teli kimat. Nalar ini sampai ke baca. Hajan peas. Hadi ni Kyntait sini. Hadi ilaka sutna. Kalau jom kata ke public hearing. Ngai ke public hearing ke bamaila. Ya kita kawan pentawi ke slow. Jonggi. Riu ke masyarakat. Na kata ke projek ini kata ke cement factory. Om Syllad. Ini kaya kebenaran bergerak petai kubur. Kena mari kata, the voice of the people party minta kesini. Pembenglah kerana kejiran dan pengenalan amat pun. Bangin tahu bersama sekretariat yang peluang kejingat pada keberjaitai. Kami kebeitang kejing sang. Kami kebeitang kejing sang. Dalam ada sarkar kadang kensting. Gendang sentrai. Susu ia berjeki. Bagi yang rohan ni, bayangkan ke parti yang pedang yang itu public hearing sebagai pengurusan Meghalaya. But yang kita kemat belum ngelak Kyntait, kawai lagi sipau tuli, narkan ke parti ngelak tawa, pada sarkar mendaga dengan sangat suara, yang dikoplan bagi cement factory, jangan labang saya kata. senang. Kim penentoy ya geri gaji. Mereka marang ke jam malah ke sini lelek sat ya ke marang gaji. Jayu ya bilang senang jamakan luar penuh semua. Karena selamat tanya pada projek. Anda ini dapat berfungsi serang bagi orang di projek di bawah. Kita berfungsi serang bagi tuan di sepakat. Jayu ini bilang senang mentah. Yapan mat namar kajik tepuk jaga surah. Pine igai kram besani bah. Kisukwa ban pendit ban kami. Kasuk kade ban namra ya ke sungsuk ya ke sok ke sanjo pata kalau namra ban mane ke jenja. Ya ke nong senang jong ke tan jiwa. Kiba kum kini kira kipar ngipwa. Dei namar kata bau ngipu iki dagi spotli. Batani kade dan jingkuni. But the voice of the people party. Kam keren kai, kalau serius sikini kimat kita kalau keren. Kalau serius, ngapa abang? Jaga sabar pakai khati keren ini, iwan tangan pentau, ringba ke jisim bentar ke sini. Kalau ada sarkar kering siap menteri. Oh, ini ke keren juga chief minister. Obang pakai assembly kering jaga ke bagian tambahnya keren. Sri Pikat Assembly kita buat kimat kapal bikiat ini penginteran dan sipau nominat lawa dan pendak diberi kejengkeran atau Assembly tanggung sipau tak minat lalu pulang bagi koi banyak keren dan air kapal ke betul yang sangat kita kejengkeran atau Assembly kandai menunjukkan atau Assembly dan kita persang dan pensuruh penglayu kata bagi mengalam the voice of the people party tunjukkan for assembly. Jika government di set kita di fred yang nyot kenya di penjara yang negeri ke sini semua orang mentah. Marga kita tahu kok kita tahu the voice of the people party kekuatan sandur yang negeri ke sini. Dari bagi pro ningkong ya kata katong bandara ia sincar ke kadar ke betul. Pada minumnya tempat jaga hak long try, sejumlah di primary di try kita. Yang kau akan sini kapor, akan ni kapor. Namang kau akan tenggelam, ia akan ni kecingat pada gaji. Hendak kau itu begitu, bantu korang. Mentah nanti ini aja yang jai. Sehingga yang kun ia akan ni main sekretariat. Bahkan apa DCFS yang saya pernah lalu kacang. To the voice of the people party, you don't think the way, you don't spark. Yang dan dapur, menjadi dan cuek ke sama play. Saya ada cuek, bukan try ada cuek. Hausman harga dengan dong atau sekretariat dengan air jingsicar dapat terus coba. Jingsicar kapan nyatmo iki umat jengki long kme. Jingsicar kapan nyatmo ya ke umat jengki tu disnong kita syak lebenya ke sokar. Ada por di pelong di public hearing, pan tiap pan siap ikiko kita pensat mat. Jadi sensyar kapan ada treatment ini ikut sama kita wakcam. Dan mentara kini di arteri lain kita hadir ke public hearing. Public hearing dalam hukum serman negeri. Kami besar negeri kecilnya pada kecil. Ini akan pensengaja sudah sakar, apabila tambah pensengaja ini pedang ia betul public hearing. Sabar nak kena kepating yang Kyntait to Chief Secretary. Bahawa dan cancel ya ke examination berpeluang dengan West Champions District DSC. Kalau ini kaya dan cancel, nama parti kalap, terkan disaki kebapiang. Bagi jan dikatakan ni kita ini exam kita ngelapan kita kentai kita cuba iwe bakar nanti kita jio bandung sebagai personal interview. Hari ini baru ada personal interview dengan ada kini kita hak masuk lagi tu kita sama kita teruskan. Yang namsya pada tu examination dalam peluang dengan DSC representatives kami ada dan cancel ya baru ke exam. Nama kami kasi itu kawan kecilnya itu kasi pasang dan pendung juga. Kita nama kita kukipak tadi. Kita tahu bah. Oh, yang ini nasna walang kemutus uskum. Obas uskum betul siap kenal. Kijuinam tu sopdong jong kitu kinang siak knam. Semua kisnai tu sopdong kisap yang tu siak dan spend. Baranda la sok siap yang tu sopdong. Kalau sekali dia nak temu sopdong haji di isi. Nama bang itu dia kerja sendiri. Nama bang nang bahasa. Nama bang yang nak pergi berut kepada aku betul bersyalah tadi. Wan kanali tu skom na tu sopdong ulaban ha. Andai tu ting kepada ketone temen sim tu bahagian im nak kerja sendiri. Yang pas nak sampai namju pensap. Tak ada pengasyong hal yang berkikor. Bagi yang kesem. Lalu bagi yang tu lima. Kikor dia apa? Kayak gini. Tang nomor aku ye jaga chat beliau. Kisah berniaga kita kisah lena. Assalamualaikum. Ye makisni. Terus ni. Isni baka jingalak spa kersyai ada kata-kata. Mereka ubrio bayang. Naganta ka loy jong kechat menurut kampe adalah perngem semanu menurut ngan menkenrantin ngan buat cekmat lengkap bagi disapa. Aduh bagi dapai syada kong. Bagi yang pelak jimat syada jang kawan. Katang da jingla arthra. The voice of the people party dan menurut yang bos kita. Pelayan terkuat di kau. Kehidupannya ada kurang cukup. Nampak ni kecicap akan dikasih. Kecicap tangan yo itu mana? Kecicap kalau bagaimana yo kan ya cuma tua. Kecicap kalau bagaimana kan sini kan nama berkenaan berkenaan. But kecicap kalau lawan penuhnya ke akor. Jong kita kinonggasyan, jong the voice of the people party. Bagi mai kinonggasyan kita lawan pelakan. Ia laga jimat kejepat, bagi laga jong berjim. Yang kuat mana kesentuh kinonggasyan pra. Yang tempoh, yang dulu bersih. Bagi peniki yang keliti kepada dia.
First of all, I would like to thank God. Okay, for the weather. I would also like to thank all the participants who have participated in this peaceful march which the party had decided, and we are happy to see the response of the people as far as this peaceful march is concerned. So as we have said that we are going to conduct this peaceful march to convey a message to the government that we are not happy with the style of functioning of the government on many issues, and those issues have been highlighted from time to time. So we will now disperse from this march as we have already completed the march, and we will wait for some time what will be the response of the government. No. We had decided as party not to submit any memorandum because every time we had written to the government on many issues. But it is unfortunate that the government never responded to us in writing or even call us for discussion, which is why we don't feel the need to submit a fresh memorandum or petition to the government on these issues, which the government itself is aware of these. See, these are the issues which in fact the government itself, it is the responsibility of the government to deal with these issues. We are the opposition, we are raising issues concerning the state and the government and the people, I mean to say. So if the government is really serious with all these issues, they should call us, take us into confidence. But this government is quite vindictive, especially when it comes to the opposition party, where they even undermine and belittle the position and the status of the elected representative. So that is just an eyewash on the part of the government to fool the people again.
What is next course of action?
We are yet to decide. It will be very difficult for me, but I think you must have seen the crowd is huge, spontaneous, and especially in a working day like this.
Yesterday the CM said that these issues should be debated in the assembly, not in the street. Your response?
I think as a witness, you had been a witness. How time is allotted to the opposition members in the assembly and how space were being taken by the members belonging to the ruling party. They in fact get more time than the member belonging to the opposition party. So we hardly get enough and sufficient time to discuss various issues. We are not shying away from debating, okay, whether we lose or win in the debate, but we representing fact before the government. So I think that is just an excuse, maybe, on the part of the government.
We have seen that
Our supporters, our volunteers, and all those who are supporting us are made to understand that we will do anything which is peaceful and which is right. We don't have any intention to create any law and order problem. We don't have any intention to create public inconveniences. So which is why we have made our stand very clear. We have repeatedly asked those who are going to participate that they should honor the instruction of the party, which is why you see this protest as you see today.
We know our own politics, we know the own issues, and we know our own strength, our own strategies, and therefore I don't see any threat. And as I said, we are confident of uh, winning the election, and we look forward.
and how do you see the strength of BPP in Khasi Jante Hills?
As I said, the supporters of VPP, they support on the basis of understanding the principles of the party, understanding the policies and programs of the party, and also the commitment of the party towards clean politics, and also taking the interest of the people of the state. And on the basis of that, I feel and I believe that not only we are able to retain the support base, but we will be able to increase also the number of the supporters of the party.
Do you see BPP is growing here in Khasi Jante Hills?
Definitely, the party has grown tremendously if you compare it to 2021 when we started, and in a matter of few years we have been able to win elections and to also take the issues of the people forward, and therefore I would say that facts themselves speak about the credibility and also the strength of the voices.
What did it ask us? Coming to the campaign, are you losing the momentum considering the many number of candidates in the fray?
As I said, we are not looking at the number of the other candidates. We are not looking who contests, who does not contest. We are looking at our own politics. As I said, and as I briefed to the press before, that those claims are exaggerated, and we also, I would say, we are able to attract new supporters, but we don't want to say and to exaggerate the thing. Let the results of the MP by-election speak for itself. You see, for us, we just made a call to the people, and whoever is free to come, they come. As I said, we never make arrangements. We never, provide any kind of financial support to the people to come for these kind of meetings. So whatever the number that come to these kind of rallies and meetings, we are grateful to the people, and we are always satisfied.
Right. Okay. There's a growing debate.
As you know, I will repeat only what he said because they are the MLAs. They know better. So he already replied to that question.
So, but do you think by hitting the street, going
You see, politics and democracy is a continuous process, and legitimacy also is a continuous bargaining process, and therefore politics and democracy, it exists and it operates beyond institutions. I think you know the basic operational system of democracy.
what's next? What's the next step?
The next step,
For BPP.
we will campaign for the forthcoming by-election, and we will go to the people of the state, and these are the issues that the government has to respond, not to the BPP, has to respond to the issues that the people they have, and we are the channel to express those issues. So let the government come forward, and we, on the part of the BPP, we will continue working for the interested.